My name's Kelly, and I'm super excited to be here today with Expressions Vinyl, showing you a fun project that you can make with supplies from your March mystery box. Again, if you don't know me, my name's Kelly, and I blog at Kelly Lee Creates, where I teach lettering and also digital design. So today I just wanted to go over a fun project with you. Again, with SVG files and vinyl that you get in the March mystery box. So I decided to make this fun can glass with the Flower Power SVG file. What I love about this is I am using color changing vinyl on this, and it is super fun, and I've been really excited to use it. So that is why I chose this project to share with you today. So again, we're using the Flower Power SVG file from the March mystery box. And you're also going to need adhesive vinyl. This is soft pink. This is the glitter vinyl. This is called Pink Flirt. This is the color changing vinyl called Cold Pink. And you'll also need a piece of transfer tape and a weeding tool and a scraper tool. Now the glass can glass that I'm using is a 16-ounce glass, and this is Libby brand, but you don't have to buy Libby brand. You can buy whatever you want. Just make sure that it is a 16-ounce can glass. So for this project, you are going to cut out the Flower Power words in the cold pink. You're going to cut out the flowers in the glitter, and the centers of the flowers are going to be cut out in the soft pink. So now I'm going to cut out my files and I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So a tip when placing your vinyl onto your mat, you're going to want to use a brayer, and this tool just smooths out your vinyl so there are no bumps or air bubbles between your vinyl and the mat. And it also helps your vinyl stick to the mat. If your mat is losing its stickiness, this tool will help a lot. So you're just going to load your mat and then cut your first color. So after your files are finished cutting, all you're going to do is weed them. So I'm going to take this Pink Flirt glitter vinyl and start in the top right-hand corner with my weeding tool and just gently pull back like so. And if you're not getting the vinyl to come off or weed easily, check your blade and make sure that you have a sharp blade. And if your blade isn't very sharp, you might need to adjust the depth of it on a silhouette machine. Now, with this file, you can see that I have a weeding box around this, and this is 10 by 4, and I created this box specifically because this is the size that's going to fit around your glass. And so again, the weeding box is 10 inches by 4 inches, and I just modified the SVG file a bit. I just copied and pasted all these flowers into this box. You can place them wherever you want, or you can just use the original Flower Power file that was in the mystery box. So I'm just going to go ahead and weed the other two pieces of vinyl, and then I will show you how to put it all together. Okay, so now I have all my vinyl cut out. I have my flowers, I have the center of my flowers, and I have the words Flower Power in the cold pink vinyl. Now, to put this together, we're going to start with the layer on top, which is going to be these flower centers. And what you need to do is take your transfer tape and cut your piece of transfer transfer tape to the exact size of the weeding box. In this case, it's 10 by 4. So you're just going to place your transfer tape over this top layer like so. And make sure it covers all of your vinyl. And then you're going to take your scraper tool and burnish the vinyl to the transfer tape. Then a trick to getting the vinyl to stick to the transfer tape, instead of trying to peel the transfer tape off like this, turn it over and peel the backing off like so. And your vinyl should stick really easily to the transfer tape. So next we're going to take our second piece, which is these flowers. And we're just going to take this piece of transfer tape and line up the centers of the flowers with the actual flowers themselves. Place it down. Again, take your scraper tool and burnish that vinyl. And then peel the backing off. Oh, see, it's not coming off very well. So if that happens, just go back over with harder pressure. And then the last step, we're gonna place the Flower Power words onto this vinyl as well. And the reason we do this is because when we put this on the cup, we want to put it all on at once. So we want everything on one piece of transfer tape because it's going to make it a lot easier to transfer this to the cup that way. So just line up your words. I designed this file, so this flower right here, it goes right down in this corner. Burnish it. There we go. And then peel the backing off. This cold pink vinyl is a little bit different like feel than the other vinyl, so it might take a little bit to get the vinyl to stick. It might take a little bit more rubbing to get this vinyl to stick. So now I have all my vinyl stuck to one piece of transfer tape. It's kind of hard to see the color changing vinyl in this video, I think, because it's so clear right now, but that's about to change. So to place this on your glass, simply place your glass down. And if you have something to like put on either side of your glass, that would be good so it doesn't roll around like this. But I do not have that right now, so all you do is place your glass down, and then you're going to take your file and place it down. Place the middle down first, the Flower Power words. Place the middle down, and you're going to smooth out towards the sides. And then just smooth around like so. And then this side as well. And then take your burnishing tool or scraper tool and go over the transfer tape really well. You can also use your fingers if you want to do it that way, but I would first go over it really well with this tool And then you can use your fingers if you want. When you're done burnishing, all you need to do is peel back the transfer tape very slowly. Make sure everything sticks. If something isn't sticking, like this piece of the flower right here, sometimes I just like hold it down with my thumb and pull it off. But just go very slowly all the way around your mug. And there you have your fun glass can with color changing vinyl. So I'm not going to leave you without showing you this magic of the color changing vinyl. So got my cup here that we just made and some cold ice water. And I'm just going to pour it in the cup so you can see how this works. See how that changes color? Isn't that amazing? So awesome. So here's the difference. Here is one without the cold water in it, and here is one with it. And you can see that the cold pink vinyl almost matches, it almost matches the glitter vinyl almost perfectly. But again, here's the one without cold water, and here it is afterwards. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you have a lot of fun using the supplies in your March mystery box. See you later. Bye.